This is your daily dose of cats.
What the hell? Are you a magical cat?
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. He's not gonna do anything. Gunnar, you're friendly. Oh, okay. Hi. Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, you're fine. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're. Oh, Pringle!
So I just bought my cat all these toys and he was like, nope, box. So I made this box.
Do you want dinner? Are you sure?
Why are you pretending to eat the shower curtain?
"君の虜になってしまえばきっと